Dilute 3 drops of oregano oil in water and watch what happens to your body. The respiratory system is the system of our body that carries the air, oxygen, that we breathe into our interior to make possible growth and activity. This time we will give you an excellent natural treatment based on oregano oil, with which you will be able to clean the respiratory system in depth. You can prevent allergies, fight allergens, avoid nasal congestion, cough with phlegm, etc. Pay close attention to do it the right way and do not take any risks. Oregano oil to clean the respiratory system. Oregano oil works great whether you already have allergic symptoms or want to prevent them. In addition to cleaning the respiratory system, it is a very powerful natural antihistamine. The substances it contains, rosmarinic acid, carvacrol, flavonoids and terpenes, help to relieve itching. How to use oregano oil? 1. Take a sip of water. Keep it in your mouth, without swallowing. 2. Tilt your head, open your mouth and add 3 drops of oregano oil. 3. Finally swallow. Drink more water to dilute it in your stomach. Recommendations: 1. When purchasing an oregano oil, it is important that it is for human consumption. Applying topically may be toxic, so clarification is important. 2. Do not perform this treatment more than 3 times a week. Oregano oil is a powerful antibacterial that, in larger doses, can alter the intestinal flora. How to keep the respiratory system healthy? 1. Perform exercises on a regular basis. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommends 30 minutes of physical activity 5 days a week to improve overall health. 2. Eat foods rich in nutrients necessary for the health of the respiratory system. It is recommended to eat foods rich in vitamin A, C and E and minerals zinc, potassium, selenium and magnesium. 3. Drink plenty of water to help dilute the mucus secretions that build up in your lungs, making it easier to breathe. 4. Add domestic plants to your environments. According to the British Columbia Lung Association, indoor plants can improve the quality of air in your home by removing chemical vapors that can damage your respiratory health. Now that you know some tips to clean the respiratory system, we hope you take note and follow them to the letter. This will help to have better health.